Welcome! Welcome back. It's been such a long time since I've seen you guys. And my beautiful wife got Ninja Creami Breezy. It's just Breeze. But, you know, let's call it Breezy because it sounds cooler. They should have gone with Creami Breezy. Alright, let's open this box. Here we have what I would think is a 8-ounce cup. I have no clue how big this is, but look at this. Boom, it just snaps on. Easy peasy. Perfect. Here's another cup. This is well manufactured. All right. And here, this seems to be a different cup. It opens by twisting, and there's stuff inside, so let's take it. Ooh, it's a blade. All right. Paddle installation. Oh, let's see. Yeah. You know what? That won't cut your fingers, but still, I would grab it from here, and there's your blade. This is the Ninja blade. Shuriken style. This, another, just in case you lose one. Oh, it might be for this one. So when you're done, your ice cream, boom, boom, this is this. This will go somewhere in here. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh, this actually is choppy. Yikes! Ah! All right, let's try this again. Wrong side, there we go. Boom. Didn't need no instructions for that, but let's make sure it doesn't fly off. It doesn't look sturdy. I guess that'll do. Boom. All right, we get rid of all of this. Again, the caisse de resistance. The actual machine. Help with that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, look at these. It has little suction cups. Wow. This is really cool. Could have a workout like this. Excellent. So I'm not worried about it just tipping over. Look at that. No accidents here. Oh, sorry. Oh, that was dangerous. But as you can see, that's a good idea because I haven't seen any of the other appliances have these little suction cups. And they suction pretty good. I know this is not the main feature of this device, but A+ for the suction. Yes? All right. We're gonna set it like this. We're gonna look. Ice cream button. Milkshake button. I like that. Light ice cream. Not for me. Smoothie bowl. Sorbet. Gelato. Too fancy. Let's stick with ice cream and milkshake. And then this is a lock button. So I assume you lock these. All right, let's try this. So open this, I would put whatever in there. Fruits, veggies. Lock this in place. And then I would just kaboom! And then I press make me some ice cream. And then when I'm done, I press this button. Just untwist and voila. Did you need an instruction booklet for that? I didn't even see an instruction booklet. In fact, these guys are so ninja-ish that they do not give you an instruction booklet. My wife took the instructions away, that's why. Because she knew I wasn't gonna use them. All right, very good. Let's take this off. This peels off as well. This, just in case we want some recipes for ice cream. We're back with the Ninja Creamy Breezy. Creamy Breezy Ninja. What we've done is we've cut a few strawberries in there. Anyways, and we're gonna do half a banana. Boop. All right, banana in there. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crush all of this. Look, I was worried about this, but look, perfect. So they made these the perfect size for your potato smasher or your banana smasher, because you've seen this in my banana video. And if you haven't seen it, please go to my YouTube channel and watch me make a banana cake. Okay. It's not a banana cake, it's a banana bread. All right, let's crush these like a champ. It's not working as expected. And strawberry. Now that this is done, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, it's smashed enough. I don't know what the instructions say, but it'll be fine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna add a spoon. We're gonna add some chocolate, Carnation Nestle hot chocolate mix. Why not? Because this is gonna be the sugary part of my mixture. Beautiful. And we're gonna need a little sugar. But while we're looking for the sugar, I'm gonna add cream, the trowel. All right, so we're gonna go crazy with the cream. Hold on. I have to watch this max line because after that, the ice cream will overflow. All right, a little bit of granola. Why not? Just a tiny bit, just to give my ice cream a little crunch. And we're gonna top it all off with a little bit of 2% milk. Oh, and I said sugar. Oh, we're gonna need to really chunk it a little bit before putting it in there so we don't break the Ninja. Although a Ninja shouldn't break. Ninja should chop everything. Do you think that's enough sugar? I think so. Ladies and gentlemen, this mix is great. Stay tuned tomorrow because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the freezer. Let it freeze, and then tomorrow we're gonna snap it in here and make some nice ice cream. I'm gonna give it a little stir as per suggestion. Whoa.